Hi guys, today I'm gonna show how to download Windows 10 ISO from Microsoft website. So before going to the video, please turn on the CC for subtitle. So please enter into your browser and then type Windows 10 ISO downloads on the search bar. Once you typed Windows 10 ISO downloads, just hit enter. It redirect to the web page. Over here you need to click download Windows 10, which is shown on the video. Just click it. It will redirect to you to the Microsoft web page. Over here we only see the update now and media installation download. So to enable that, just click three dot and more tools and then developer tools. A new tab will be open at the right side. Again click the three dot, more tools, and find network conditions. Hit enter. Click network condition. Over here you need to disable use browser default and then you need to select Chrome OS. Once you selected it, automatically creates and you need to refresh the web page. Once you refresh, it's automatically shows you the download path. So please scroll down and it shows select the edition. Please select the edition for ISO, Windows 10 Home and Windows 10 Pro. So you need to select the edition. Once you selected the edition, and then you need to click your country and then you need to confirm, and that's it guys. Please do all the confirmation and download it and install it. Thank you guys, thank you for watching. For more, subscribe TechTube.